Hello and welcome to LEGO MOC Masterpieces. With the coming of spring in the Northern Hemisphere, all thoughts are on the green things coming back to life in full bloom. James Zahn has created a lovely treat for the eye, reminding us of that time soon to come. His beautifully designed orchid is sure to bring a smile to any who love seeing LEGO used to create seemingly impossible organic objects. There are only a few masters of this art, and James certainly has achieved that with this piece. We are going to start by first looking at the very appropriately styled vase. He has creatively managed to effectively hide the connections for all the plants stemming out from it, at the same time delivering the obvious LEGO shape to give it visual interest. Moving further up, we have a well-orchestrated floral arrangement. He has populated the vase with a few different varieties of plants to frame in the base of the orchid. He has used a plant just going into bud, done by using curved bricks and flat-toothed bricks very convincingly. The swirling pattern in the flower in bloom is achieved with a great use of a stud on the side brick and rounded bricks to start off the pattern, then continuing out with rounded bricks and a wedge brick on a slight angle to suggest the opening of the flower. We can see the large orchid leaves draping over the edge and the shoots of grass emerging from the pot, adding a striking feature to offset the glorious orchid blossoms. For the stems of the orchids, he has used a combination of a flexible rod inside cylinder bricks and used the tail pieces to great effect as the branching flower stems, finishing off each with a terminal bud built with 2 half-sphere bricks. I don't know how to put into words the beauty James has been able to conjure from a few well-placed bricks with those orchid blossoms. Looking closely, you can see he has used some rounded over plates and bricks and wedge plates to create the pure white petals. He has given the subtle pink eye to the flower with the pink rounded plates and finally set the whole flower off with the vibrant orange flat tooth piece. Overall, James has done such a beautiful job in creating this piece in LEGO. I really think in a piece like this that LEGO has become the medium to create a beautiful piece of art that overshadows the medium it was created from. This will really set the bar for organic LEGO masterpieces to come. I'd like to thank James for letting us take a closer look at his lovely work. If you wish to see more of his work, check out his Flickr account. The link will be posted in the comments below. He has a great variety of interesting builds and some great organic builds inspired from under the sea. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found this inspirational. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it around for others to enjoy. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.